So hello, good evening students. Welcome back to my channel again. I hope you all are fine. So students, today I'm going to start with a topic that we have started in work. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने एनर्जी एंड वर्क पढ़ लिया था. Then the next topic that we have to study is law of conservation of energy. So first we are going to discuss what is law of conservation of energy. As the name suggests, conservation. Conservation का मतलब क्या होता है? We have to conserve it, है ना? Like it is neither created nor destroyed. So statement is simple. It states that energy is neither created nor destroyed, but can be transformed. From one form to another. ठीक है? Such that the total energy of the system remains conserved. So today we are going to study this topic with the help of a derivation. Like we will prove it mathematically that energy of the system remains conserved. For this, what we have to do, first we have to take one object. Like हम लोगों ने एक object ले लिया. Let us suppose an object of mass m. ठीक है? It is falling freely under gravity and let three position of the object, first be A, second be B and third be C. This is ground. Okay. Now this object is at height of h from the ground and the distance from A to B is x. So this distance will be h minus x. This distance will be h minus x. Now as when this object will start freely under gravity, so u initial is 0. This velocity will be 0. Okay. So now we are going to just prove it at point A, at point B and at point C. All the points will have same energy. ठीक है? Law of conservation के हिसाब से. So first we will start at point A. Suppose this at point A we will start. So it will possess both the energy, kinetic and potential. So how we are going to calculate? Since the object is at height h, so it will have mgh as potential energy. So this is equal to mgh. Why? Because mass of the object is m, g is acceleration due to gravity and it is attaining at height of h. So this is this one. For velocity, initial velocity is 0, kinetic is half mv square. ठीक है? So initial velocity for this is u, that is equal to 0. So हम लोग यहाँ पे at a की बात करेंगे तो this is m into 0 का square, that is equal to 0. Now the total energy at A will be equal to potential plus kinetic energy. Potential energy plus kinetic energy. This is equal to mgh plus 0, that is equal to mgh. So for first part we have proved that the total energy, that is potential and kinetic energy, is equal to mgh. Now at point B. Now this object has traveled a distance of x unit. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे अगर बात करें for kinetic energy, this will be half mv square. Now this v will be calculated with the help of equation of motion. Okay, v square equal to u square plus 2as. For this v square, u is 0 since we have assumed it. Now for this object, as this object is falling under gravity, so this a will be equal to g and it has traveled a distance of x units, so this will be this one. So 2gx. In place of this v square we can write 2gx. So now we will substitute this. So kinetic energy will be equal to half, mass will remain same. For this v square we will put 2gx. So 2 से 2 cancel, this will be mgx. Now what about the potential energy? Since the object is at point B, so from the ground it is at a distance of h minus x. So potential energy is mgh, so h minus x, since it is at this much distance from the ground. So this is mgh minus mgx. Now as we have done in the first part, second में भी हम लोगों को ऐसे ही करना है. Total energy of the object at point B, this is potential plus kinetic, that is equal to potential कितना आया बेटा? mgh minus mgx. Now what about the kinetic energy, कितना निकाला था हम लोगों ने? This is mgx. तो इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So this is equal to mgh. Again we have proved at point B also that energy is mgh. Now what is left? अब हमारा object, now it has come to the ground. So at point C यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज हाफ mv²। तो हम लोग फिर से इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन का यूज कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। सो u इज 0, तो सिंस इट इज इफ इट इज एट हाइट h, तो यहाँ ग्राउंड पे आने पे भी h ही है, तो डिस्टेंस हमारा h ट्रेवल किया। सो दिस इज 2gh। सो काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल बिकम, यहाँ पे कितनी आ जाएगी, 2gh, ठीक है। दिस इज 2gh। नाउ दिस v² इज 2gh। नाउ वी विल पुट फॉर दिस, तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी की जगह हम लोग पुट कर देंगे। सो दिस इज 2gh, यहां से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 कैंसिल, एंड दिस काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल बी इक्वल टू कितना आ जाएगी, mgh। एज लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी स्टेट्स दैट एनर्जी कैन बी ट्रांसफॉर्म, तो यहाँ काइनेटिक एनर्जी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के इक्वल कर दिया। तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी यहाँ पे 0 थी, ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा नीचे आ गया बिल्कुल, तो यहाँ पे हाइट तो 0 हो गई। mgh में अगर आप बेटा पुट करके देखेंगे तो mgh में क्या आएगा, m इंटू g इंटू 0 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0। सो टोटल एनर्जी बिकम्स काइनेटिक प्लस पोटेंशियल दैट इज इक्वल टू mgh प्लस 0 दैट इज इक्वल टू mgh। सो इन ऑल द केसेस, लाइक अगर हम लोग दोबारा से देखें, एट पॉइंट A ऑल्सो, एट पॉइंट B ऑल्सो, एंड एट पॉइंट C ऑल्सो, यू कैन सी एनर्जी इज conserved. Energy is constant in all the cases. Energy is now being converted from one form to another, but total energy of the system remains conserved. This is what we have to study in today's video. Like it states that energy is neither created nor destroyed, but can be transferred from one form to another. So students, I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.